Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the currency on Oberlo. So you guys can see that as of right now, these products are listed in euros right there. And basically how we can change this is that if you want to change the currency on Oberlo, you also need to change it on your Shopify store. So because these two are connected, it's actually the same. So if you go over to Shopify, you want to click on settings right there, click on general, then scroll all the way down. We'll have to wait for this to load. There we go. And then right there you'll see your store currency. So if you change this over here, it will also change an Oberlo. For example, let's just do USD, click save, and there we go. Yep, that works. And then if you go back to Oberlo, I'm just going to refresh and click on variants. Alright, so it hasn't changed yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it again. Probably needs to refresh. And let's see. And there you go. You can see that it's now in USD. So that's how you can change the currency on Oberlo. If this video helps you out, leave a like and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.